Bench press foundations.
The bench press is a classic exercise for building chest, shoulder, and tricep strength. While it looks simple, good form is essential to lift effectively and stay injury-free. By learning the correct technique, you can maximize muscle growth and protect your joints. Let's break down each step to help you bench press with confidence and control.
Setting up for success.
Start by lying flat on the bench with your eyes directly beneath the bar. Plant your feet firmly on the floor, creating a stable base. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width, wrapping your thumbs around it. Keep your shoulder blades pulled back and down, which supports your shoulders and helps target your chest.
Proper motion and breathing.
Unrack the bar and position it above your mid-chest. Lower the bar in a controlled motion until it gently touches your chest. Press the bar upward by pushing through your feet and extending your arms fully, but avoid locking your elbows. Inhale as you lower the bar and exhale as you press it up.
Key safety tips.
Never bounce the bar off your chest or arch your lower back excessively. Keep your wrists straight and avoid letting your elbows flare out too far. Always use a spotter or safety bars, especially if you're lifting heavy. Listening to your body and using proper technique are the best ways to prevent injury.
Progression and muscle growth.
Increase weight gradually as your strength improves and focus on quality over quantity. Aim to complete each rep with control. Incorporate bench press into a balanced workout routine, allowing enough rest between sessions. Consistent, smart training is the pathway to a stronger chest and safer lifting over time.